I'm happy to inform you that Jim Beglin has joined me to offer his expertise.
Well, thanks, Peter. There's a great sense of anticipation in this stadium, and I've been hit by it too.
Well, the pre-match build-up has been fantastic. Now, the game itself.
Vinicius Junior!
Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Well, there's always that risk, Peter, when a team commits too many numbers forward. You can't help but leave some gaps at the back.
Distributed tidily. That pass has been well intercepted. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Lewandowski showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. It's Lewandowski! And he was there to get a vital touch.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
Manchester United with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
That's a throw. Bellingham is there to clear. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
Well, Peter, it's not very often you look at your goalkeeper as a source of inspiration, but I think we can make an exception for Gianluigi Donnarumma. Such an incredible player.
Shot, surely! Goal! Manchester United! Just so calm under pressure, and he managed to fashion a fine finish.
Lewandowski demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just create enough room for him to be able to get the shot away. And I think it's just top play.
So, a breakthrough already. Now, can they get him away? Aimed beyond the defence. And that interception was most necessary.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Nice looking ball. Vinicius Junior. And he's well positioned here. Kukcu. Pedri. Shifted it to the flank. Beckenbauer cuts it out. Spread it left. First quarter of an hour gone. Well, that is not the best ball, and he offers an apologetic look.
Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked out.
Now it's Mbappe. Good ball over the top.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
And he's there to get it away. Out to the right. Back towards the middle. Some really good ball movement. Mbappe! And he's on the finish! Goal! They're level in a trice!
Yeah, they say that fortune favours the brave, and we've just seen an example. This team has real personality and character.
He does it all with an air of efficiency and simplicity.
Well, when you get in that position, it's all about composure. Panic can't come into it, and it didn't.
And a chance! Goal! Poland! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. Oh, one moment you're in possession, the next you're picking the ball out of your own net. That one will sting.
The danger was always there, Peter. We all knew they'd be pouncing on any slip or any sort of indecision. They need to sharpen up or it's going to happen again.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
To be expected, Peter. They've gone and stepped it up. Something they've been threatening to do and will continue to do by the looks of it.
David Villa. Mbappe. Oh, good read.
That was well played, well stopped.
Now it's Mbappe. Plays it through. Vinicius Junior providing an outlet on that flank. Good ball. Oh, shooting chance! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Really anticipated that well, didn't he?
Beckenbauer with the short one. In by Saka.
There's much frustration as to the lack of a touch to finish that off.
And now they can spring out of defence. And this is Raul. Threads one in. Messi, who's wide and looking to get onto this. Oh, this is a great position. Oh, good take in a good area. Pedri. Now it's Mbappe. He's in plenty of space here. David Villa could try cutting inside here. Opts to play it back. Raul. Oh, this looks sharp. Over to the left. Oh, that's delightful. And that's been intercepted.
He read that really well and stopped it.
And here's Lewandowski. Decent chance! Oh, just lacked a decent finish. Poland heading towards the half-time break. The wind very much in their sails. David Villa. Pedri. He's shifting through the gears here. Tries to get it clear. Kokchu did well to step in there. That was more than necessary. Pedri looking understandably energised after his goal. Saka. Poland finding their passes. And it's Pedri. Mbappe. Oh, nicely intercepted. Bellingham. A probing pass. And he's picked it up out wide. Pedri. Now Mbappe.
2 added minutes.
Lovely
has
pass,
been
but
indicated.
can he get there? Takes aim and... Header! Oh, he's been caught napping. In he goes again. He's done very well to get to that.
Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
And this could be the final action of the first half. That looks a good cross. Cleared away. And it's Rijkaard. Messi. Now it's Lewandowski. Adams cuts out the pass. And that'll be the final action of the first half. Poland come roaring back in quite some style. We've got a very different game now.
Please be reminded that drinking
So
is
there
only
was the
allowed
first
in the areas
half.
shown on this
Well,
map.
Peter, I'm
Thank
just
you very
thinking
much for
of
your
the best way to
cooperation.
describe that. Frantic, frenzied, it was unmissable and it was irresistible. Forget about the analysis on this one, just enjoy it.
Poland are leading 2-1, but things are very much in the balance here. And if you have just joined us, well, we've just begun the second period here. That has not gone well. Tries to pass it through. David Villa receives it in a wide position. Raul. Mbappe. Pass somewhat off target. Adams played out to the left flank. Played back in. Played back. It's a really well-measured ball. Delivers the ball. Bellingham! Well, now it's a race for the ball. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Vinicius Junior. Now it's Villa. Real chance! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay.
It's really well read here, but having done the hard part, he'll be slightly disappointed not to make more of it.
Pedri. Mbappe. Raul. Always onto this. Oh, it's Raul. Nicely shaped ball. No, that's been intercepted. And he's running through. Big chance, must be! That's brave goalkeeping, really decisive.
Oh, Peter, that's as decisive as it comes. The keeper got everything right in that instance.
Donnarumma did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. Raul. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Saka. Well, the manager might be thinking of shuffling his pack here.
It's about risk-taking and boldness now. Are we going to see any activity from the bench?
Oh, he'd have done well to reach that. Beckenbauer. And it's Pedri. Oh, that's sweet, almost telepathic. Driving on and making good progress. And Adams. It's a pretty loose pass. And this is Lewandowski. Knocks it into space. Oh, that's beautifully weighted. Lewandowski gets through on his own. That's going to go a long way.
That's exactly what they need to keep doing. Carry on plugging away and eventually you might just get that little break.
They're coming again and again.
I think they just have to keep forcing the issue and they'll get clinical.
Oh, the ball's come loose here. Not pretty, but it gets the job done. And this is Raul. And he's taking no chances there. Pedri. That's good running with the ball. Spread out to the left. Vinicius Junior receives it in a good chance. Oh, wonderful effort, all by himself.
Vinicius Junior can really show some outlandish skills, which is always welcome and obviously refreshing.
So, third corner of the game. Beckenbauer goes short. Very nicely done. Crossed into the middle. Vinicius Junior! He's got a goal! 2 up now, and they are cruising. Terrific goal, what a super sharp finish.
Yeah, the touch before the finish is so often the critical part, and we've just seen an example.
Poland go 2 up and into a position of real strength. Lewandowski! It'll be a throw-in. "75 minutes played. Lovely ball and a real chance now. Adams. Vinicius Junior. Saka. Saka going face-to-face with his great rival. Shoots! Oh, he's been caught on it here. Beckenbauer gets over and intercepts. Saka. That has been slung wide. Oh, the less said about that pass, the better. But it is clear to see that he is not at all happy with that.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
Saka. Oh, that's well spotted. Raul. And it's Pedri. Played into space. Oh, that pass isn't the best. And that's put paid to a promising move. And it's Kukçu. Kukçu. Well seen. Saw that coming.
That's great positioning. So good from him.
Vinicius Junior in acres of space out wide. And he's there to belt it away. Saka's delivery. Saliba clears it away. Stood up well to him there. Tries a shot! Brilliant! A finish of true class! And they are tearing the opposition apart here. Simply breathtaking stuff. He just absolutely speared that in.
I think it was probably past the keeper before he even saw it. Incredible he got so much power with so...
He's gone for goal! And that will sail harmlessly past. Costa Curta does really well to win the ball there. Poland clearly now in lead preservation mode.
2 added minutes has been
And he
indicated.
was quick to react. No, not quite on the same wavelength. Serginho. Raul. And Lewandowski. It's a promising position. Beckenbauer spots it and intercepts. And that is that. So the winners bullish and belligerent after a remarkable collective effort.